What exactly are chia seeds? Well, chia seeds are often referred to as a superfood packed to the brim with key nutrients. They boast a high content of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, protein, and a variety of vitamins and minerals, thus elevating them above most plant foods in terms of nutrient density. Question: why are chia seeds considered so beneficial for our health? The primary reason is their rich content of omega-3 fatty acids, which are well known for enhancing heart health. These fatty acids play a crucial role in reducing inflammation and regulating cholesterol levels. Moreover, their benefits extend to the digestive system too, contributing to its health and aiding in weight management. How can chia seeds be incorporated into your meals? You may be taken aback, chia seeds can be effortlessly mixed into a plethora of dishes, providing a nutritional enhancement without changing the taste too drastically. Ways to incorporate chia seeds are numerous. Ways to incorporate chia seeds include sprinkling over yogurt, blending into smoothies, mixing baked goods, or making a delicious chia pudding. Are there any concerns about consuming chia seeds? While chia seeds have numerous health benefits, some people may experience digestive discomfort such as bloating or gas, especially when consumed in large amounts without sufficient hydration. If you're someone with allergies to seeds or nuts, approach chia seeds with caution. It's important to consume chia seeds responsibly, as they can cause potential digestive discomfort for some individuals. Can chia seeds help with weight loss? Chia seeds are often touted as a weight loss aid due to their high fiber and protein content, which can help promote feelings of fullness and reduce appetite. Are chia seeds safe during pregnancy? Chia seeds are considered safe for consumption during pregnancy and breastfeeding when consumed in moderation as part of a balanced diet. They can provide essential nutrients such as omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein. How should I store chia seeds? Chia seeds should be stored in a cool, dry place in an airtight container to prevent them from becoming rancid. They can also be stored in the refrigerator or freezer for extended shelf life. Can chia seeds be used topically for skincare? Yes, chia seeds can be incorporated into homemade skincare products such as facial scrubs and masks for gentle exfoliation and hydration. Where can I buy chia seeds? Chia seeds are widely available at most grocery stores, health food stores, and online retailers. Look for organic, high-quality chia seeds to ensure the best nutritional value. While chia seeds are generally safe for most people, some individuals may experience digestive issues such as bloating or gas, especially if consumed in large quantities or not adequately hydrated. It's essential to start with small amounts and drink plenty of water when consuming chia seeds. Share your thoughts on today's video, join our community for more interesting topics. Thanks for watching.